Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify Kraken account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then simply type in kraken.com and then sign into your account. And once you've signed into your account, here on the Kraken homepage, you'll be seeing this finish setting up your Kraken account. Now in order to verify your account, what you need to do is just simply click on this link or just simply click on the link right here. And once you click on it, here the next page will show you the account features and limits. Now there are three categories that are starter, intermediate and pro, and following with that you'll get the limits and features. Now if you are a starter, you only have to provide personal information to verify, and the limits are the bank transfers aren't safe, cryptocurrency deposits are unlimited, and cryptocurrency withdrawals are 5k per day. And the features are you can buy, sell and convert cryptocurrency, trade with margin, on with rewards with staking. And now if you want to verify as an intermediate, you have to provide the government ID along with your personal information as well. And now the limits that you will get are bank transfers are 100k per day and 500k per month. Cryptocurrency deposits are unlimited and cryptocurrency withdrawals are 500k per day. And the features are you can buy, sell and convert cryptocurrency, trade with margin, on with reward staking. And now trade with features non-US only will also be available to you. Now if you want to verify as a pro, it requires intermediate verification as well as it requires your financial info as well. Now if you are verifying as a pro trader, then you'll have unlimited bank transfers, unlimited cryptocurrency deposits, unlimited cryptocurrency withdrawals, and the features along with starter and intermediate features will all be provided to you along with the starter and intermediate features. Now simply all you gotta do is verify as an intermediate at the first and then do the next step for the pro, and that's basically how you can verify your Kraken account. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.